guys, so I posted a selfie on Instagram and I've never gotten as many DMs and comments asking about my look, asking for a tutorial, asking about what products I use. So I'm going to recreate the look and show you guys how I got this look. But first, the giveaway, it's the BH Cosmetics highlight palette. It's freaking amazing. I love it. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see how you could win. Let's get to it. First comes first is foundation. I'll leave all the links to the products I use in the description below. But for this, I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear because it's full coverage and I'm trying to achieve a full coverage look. So I've been really into using brushes for my foundation lately, and then just kind of like using a beauty blender at the end just to set it all in. But I feel like I'm getting a nicer, more flawless look with a brush and a beauty blender versus just a beauty blender. And I go in a round circular motion. And I'm super pale lately, which is why I have to work on my neck and my ears as well. Is my NARS concealer in vanilla. And what I've been doing lately is using the Touche Éclat again, the Yves Saint Laurent. It's kind of like the highlighter, and before I blend it, I just put it on right here. So it gives me that glow. And then I do it again, like this. So now I start the baking process, and for my under eyes I use the La Mer powder, and then which I've started to like actually a lot. I wasn't using it at first, but now I'm really digging it. And then for the rest of my face, I've been using the Kat Von D translucent locket. This has a little more color than the locket. That's why I like to use it for my under eyes, so I don't get, it's not too white under my eyes. Baking all over the face was actually, we got it from the Patrick Starr tutorial that Anya and I recreated kind of. So it's been really helpful to give me like a full coverage look that lasts all day. I'm gonna start by priming my eyes by priming using the MAC Painterly. And I just use my fingers for this. And then what I've been doing lately is doing my under eyes first. So I'm gonna use the Galactic Metallic Shadow Stick in my waterline. This is the only shimmer that I'm gonna be using in my eyes because this is more of a matte look. Alrighty. So for the under eyes, what I'm gonna do is use two palettes, you guys. I mean, for my eyes, I'm gonna use the Sassy Siennas for Dose of Colors and the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette. The colors are actually very similar, but I like to just like mix up a bunch of stuff. Okay. So for the under eyes, I'm gonna be using the darker colors, the Strike, and then what I've been doing lately is using these two more orangey colors, like under the eye. So I'll show you what I mean by that. I know it sounds weird. I just bring it out to where the pupil is, the dark one. I don't bring it out all the way. And by doing your under eyes first, I feel like it sets kind of like the edge, like right here, and it helps you when you're doing the top eye to not like bring it out more, or because you know sometimes you feel like all messed up, like oh shit, how far should I go, or where should I stop putting the dark eyeshadow. This is kind of like the base of when you should stop. So you put that line first, and it helps it be really even. Hope that was a helpful tip. Okay, so I brought it out to the middle of my eye basically, and now using this kind of brush, I'm gonna take the more orange color and bring it all the way through, and I just mix both colors. And I bring it like really low so you have like a really heavy under eye. Okay, so now I can start working on the top. With a flat brush, I'm gonna apply it like a light base, like a nudish base, to set kind of like the tone of what it's gonna look like. So then I could add on. Okay, so now with another flat brush, I'm gonna take the dark color again and apply it at the edge of the top, kind of marrying the bottom and the top. And don't worry about it making it look perfect, because you're gonna blend all of this. Okay, I know I look crazy, but hold on. Now the secret weapon to all makeup looks is the crease brush. And again, with the light orange colors. So I'm using the same, basically 3 colors for the top and bottom. I start with the middle area and work my way around. And remember to keep your eyes open when using the crease brush. I'm doing that on purpose, Martin. So what you do is put the orange color and just blend, blend, blend. And at first it looks aggressive, but you literally just have to keep blending. And if you want to lighten the darker area, just go over it too while you're using your crease brush. See, I lightened it a little. All right, you guys, that's my eyes. I'll go in and on my lid I'll put some shimmer, but I'm liking this whole matte look, so I'm not gonna be doing that. But now I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. And for eyeliner, you guys, I've been using the Dose of Colors eyeliners and I'm obsessed with them. It's super high quality and it's, I don't know, it's so many cool colors, because usually when you think of eyeliner, you just think of black, and honestly, I've been so over black for like a few years now. They have the coolest colors, and it makes your eyes, I don't know, it just like makes your eyes pop more versus like making them smaller, which black eyeliner usually does. So I'm gonna be using the Weekender. And I don't apply it too thick. See how subtle it is? It's not like anything crazy, which I love. And it makes your eyes actually look bigger than smaller. Okay, so I am gonna curl my lashes now. And apply the base of my mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna let my eyes dry, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then go back and do my lashes. Alrighty, I think my eyelashes are ready. So the big trick here, you guys, was the actual lashes I used. It's not how great I did my eyeshadow, because I always say your eyeshadow could look as crappy as you want. Once you put on some fabulous lashes, it just looks so much better. I'm using the Ardell lashes in the wispy styles. It's my favorite. I feel like it just makes my eyes look pop, and that's where you guys commented on the most. You wanted to know what lashes I was using. So there you go, the Ardell Wispies in black. So check out the before. And with lashes, I use a tweezer for one side and my finger for the other, and I just stick it in there. Always work one side at a time, so I stuck that side and now I'm sticking the front end. Voila! Super glam. I can't wear thicker lashes than this because I feel like then nothing shows. Like your eyeballs don't even show anymore. Next up, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Milk and Honey highlighter, and I'm going to put it at like the tip because I feel like it widens your eyes when you do that. So now with a brush, I'm just going to wipe off all the excess. And then I'm going to use this new product that I've been using, you guys, the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Finish in the color medium. And this literally gives it an airbrush feel, like your entire face. It looks flawless. It's like hashtag no filter. Now time for some bronzer. I I like the Galactic one because it's matte. So at first I use this one in color Cabo. And I use it where I would use contour because I don't contour anymore. But I guess this is kind of like contouring. Okay, now for the blush, I'm using more like a muted tone versus like a hot pinky one. For my lips, I'm using the NYX, as you can see, I love it, in nude pink. It's like almost done. And for the lips, it's Bear With Me. And then I like to put some glitter highlight on my Cupid's bow. My all-time favorite color. Bear With Me. And then if you don't want your lips to be too dry, add some lip gloss to it. I have the Dose of Colors and Spill the Deets. And put some on my lips. Just so it won't dry out and make my lips look wrinkly. And my last and final step is brushing out my eyebrows using my Anastasia Brow Gel. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're new here and leave a comment below on upcoming tutorials you guys want to see to win this awesome giveaway. It's a whole highlighter set. I will see you next time. Bye.